There are several kind of the news that the entire world, top leading universities, they are coming to India, and what should be the future, what kind of shaping it is required for the future education system. If you are from foreign land, come join. This is a golden opportunity to you. Approximately 3,000 people, 3,000 invitees are expected to join this mega training event. Come join and feel the vibrant environment of Indian education system. I, A.K. Mishra, a political analyst, I do invite proudly to all the global leaders working in the field of education. India, one of the ancient civilizations in the world. Not only the civilization, but India is also the land of one of the ancient education excellence center. Remember, and everybody knows, that Taxila, and Nalanda, along with all these, more than 20 world famous universities were here. India was doing excellence in the field of education. In current days, if we analyze, we will find that approximately 248 million, out of which approximately 38.5 million or 40 million students and youth for higher education. Rest of other, they are for school education, student and youth population. This is the student population in India in current days, which is far higher and bigger figure in comparison of so many countries. So many foreigners, educationists, knowledge seekers has visited in past in India. For example, Megasthenes, one of the most famous name, traveler, as well as Fahian, Wensong, all these were the highly learned person who visited India seeking the knowledge to gain, to understand, to experience the education system of India in past. Not only in past, India is still a very much fertile type of the land for education system. I, A.K. Mishra, a political analyst, has conducted thousands and thousands of live TV debate on different issues. Education, especially for Indian education system as well as the global education system. On leading national news channel, I have participated, I have put my view, I have put my analysis. What is the education system as of today and what should be the future? What kind of shaping it is required for the future education system? I do invite proudly to all the global leaders working in the field of education. You may be any faculty member, you may be the primary school teacher, you can say the professor of physics or any other stream, you may be the university, you may be the college, or you may be any independent body, any independent organization or NGO working in the field of education across the globe. We are going to conduct a global level training program, Be the Kingmaker, where educationists, teachers, professors, faculty members, students, as well as so many other prominent personalities from media, from politics will get together. We will be discussing about the education, about the global education system. It is not merely a training session. For full day, there will be the discussion related with the career, related with the education system, related with the college, university, situations of the student, learning system. So many other topics are there. Come join. This is one of the biggest training as well as the educational seminar in India, where the youth, the student, faculty members, teachers, vice chancellor, so many other eminent personalities from media as well as the politics intellectuals, they are coming together. Approximately 3,000 people, 3,000 invitees are expected to join this mega training event. If you are from foreign land, come join. This is a golden opportunity to you. Come join and feel the vibrant environment of Indian education system. Come interact with the educationists of India. Interact with the professors, with the lecturers, with the teachers of Indian education system. Try to find out, try to experience the vibrant nature of Indian education system. It's a school, it's college, it's environment. Try to find out, try to hunt what kind of potential it may be available. There are several kind of the news that the entire world, top leading universities, they are coming to India to establish their Indian campus. That's why I am saying, I am inviting, this is a golden opportunity to the foreign land professors, institutions, universities. Come, join, and experience the value, the ethics, the core philosophy, the core potential of education system, education world of India. Thank you very much. Don't forget the date, 8th of December, Monday 2025, Talkatora Indoor Stadium, Delhi, India.